In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram groups. By the end, you'll have a brand new group ready for chats, planning, and sharing with your community. Start by opening Telegram on your device. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so everything syncs smoothly. You can do this on the mobile app or in a web or desktop version, whichever you use regularly. The interface may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. On the main screen, look for the pencil or compose icon. On most phones, you'll see it near the lower right corner. Tap it to open the new message menu. This menu is where Telegram keeps quick actions like starting a chat or creating a new group, so it's the fastest way to get set up. From the menu that appears, choose New Group. You'll usually find it right at the top. This tells Telegram you're not just messaging one person, you're starting a space for multiple people to talk together. Next, pick at least one contact to include. Telegram requires at least one other person to create a group, so select a friend, a teammate, or anyone you want to start with. You can always expand the group later. When you're happy with your selection, tap Next or use the arrow button to continue. Now give your group a name. Type something clear and recognizable. Think of a title that makes sense to everyone who joins. For example, you might use a project title, a team name, or a simple, friendly label for family or friends. If you like, you can add an emoji for personality, but keep it easy to search for later. If you want your group to stand out visually, tap the camera icon to set a group photo. You can choose a picture from your gallery or take a new one. Pick an image that represents the purpose of the group, like a logo for a team, or a simple photo that's easy to identify at a glance. Make sure it's clear and well cropped so it looks good as a small icon. When everything looks right, the member list, the name, and the optional photo, tap Create or use the checkmark icon to finalize. Telegram will open your new group instantly, ready for your first message. That's it. You've just created a Telegram group. You can start welcoming people, organize conversations, and keep everyone on the same page. If you ever change your mind about the name or photo, you can update them later. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new group.